Hi everyone, welcome back to TheMonaZine. Today I found this wooden cover from an empty tea jar in my kitchen. Instead of tossing it out, I realized it was a perfect canvas for a vintage Ace of Spades coaster. We Bengali call it Ikka. If I am wrong, let me in the comment section. So I started with a bright yellow acrylic base. If you want a solid look like this, paint a layer of white first, then put the yellow on top. It makes the color pop much more vibrant. While I work on the detail, here is a cool facts. Have you ever wondered why the Ace of Spades is always the fanciest, most decorated card in the deck? It actually comes from the 1700s. Back then, kings placed a tax on playing cards. To prove the tax was paid, a special elaborate stamp was placed on the top card of the deck, which was the Ace of Spades. Even though the tax is gone, the tradition of a fancy design stayed. Painted on a wood required a steady hand because the texture can sometimes pull the brush. Now enjoy the process. And here is the final upcycle piece. By the way, if you love custom art like this, I am currently taking orders. Whether you need a custom coaster set, hand painted bottle art or specific painting, I can create it for you. You can see my full portfolio and DM me for commission on my Instagram @TheMonaZine. Or if you want to buy my art directly, I have listed my available piece on eBay. I have put the link to my Instagram and eBay shop in the description box below. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, leave a like and subscribe to TheMonaZine for more art video and ideas. See you in the next one. Bye bye.